I have a blaster box of 2019 Topps Heritage. It is 72 trading cards, 7 packs plus 1 extra pack. Look for Target exclusive candy lids. Let's get a good feel, see if there's any. I don't feel much in these packs, but that doesn't mean anything. It's the relics, but. Okay, pack number 1, Archie Bradley. Was it Jared Hughes? William Jared Hughes. Carlos Carrasco. Oh, got a candy lid of Mike Trout. I don't know how I feel about these. They're just little tiny little circles. Look. Hey, look, I'm Mike Trout. Woo, I wish I was. That'd be nice. Joey Wendell. ALCS game number 2. Jorge Alfaro. Luke Voigt. And Dylan Bundy. Anytime you can get a Trout card, that's always good. Albert Amora Jr., Rick Porcello, Yoenis Cespedes, Billy Hamilton, Arodys Vizcaino, Felix Hernandez, Chad Pender, and Kevin Gausman, and Juan Lagares. Did I get my number in there? I wasn't checking the backs. Oh, no. Okay. No. But nothing in that pack, but that's okay. That was my extra pack. Kyle Baraclough, Yolmer Sanchez, Giants rookies Ray Black and Steven Duger, Blue Jays rookies Rowdy Tellez and Reese McGuire, a Blake Snell New Age performer, Joe Musgrove, Austin Romine, Cesar Hernandez, and Nelson Cruz. Nelson Cruz with the Twins. Mike Leake, Shane Green, Zach Cozart, Pitching Leaders American League, Will Myers. This is a high number short print. That Gorky Hernandez, Freddie Freeman All-Star, World Series Game 5, and Chasen Shreve. Reyes Maranta, Jorge Soler, Maikel Franco, James McCann, Then and Now, Johnny Bench, Nolan Arenado, home run leaders. Manny Pena, Angels rookies, Francisco Garcia, Ty Butry, and Williams Jerez, Paul Goldschmidt All-Star, and Irvin Santana. Rich Hill, Mike Lorenzen, Jed Gorko, Mark Melancone, Chris Archer, Mike Fiers, Wilmer Flores, Jose Martinez, and World Series Game number 1. Nothing in that pack either? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feels like this should be one. Nope. Is it 2 out of the 8 packs? After my last blast box, pretty excited for this one, but Colton Wong, Tommy Pham, Brandon Belt, Lucas Giolito, got a Buster Posey high number short print, Yuli Gurriel, Matt Davidson, Didi Gregorius, and Dustin Fowler. Ben Zobrist, Jackie Bradley Jr., Alex Cobb, Brad Hand, high number short print, Scooter Gannett, Chris Stratton, Jan Gervis Solarte, Matt Kemp All-Star, and Jan Gomes. Just double check a few here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got two. Looks like I had 2 packs that didn't have anything. It's a little on the disappointing side. No. That was the second pack. Just double checking the cards, making sure. Huh. Well, trying to get the whole high number short print. So I got 3 high number short prints. Then and now, a New Age Performer. And the hit of this box would be Baseball Stars Candy Lid of Mike Trout. So, not as impressive as my last blaster box, but can't get hits every single time. Thanks for watching.